Good morning students and welcome to the English classroom. Myself Yasmin Sheikh, and the topic which I have selected today is from Unit 1.6 English textbook Kumarbharati for Standard 10. Name of the lesson is The Alchemy of Nature. From your textbook it is question number 8b and it is a grammar question. The question says underline the verbs in the sentences and write whether they are transitive or intransitive. But before we begin with the discussion, I would like to ask you the question, what is transitive and intransitive verbs? Children, verbs as we know, they are action words. Transitive verbs are those verbs in which the action is passed on from the verb to a particular object. Intransitive verbs are those verbs where the action does not pass on from a particular verb to an object. Look at sentence number 1. One can witness and experience the beauty of heaven. In this sentence, I have underlined the verbs for you. Which are the verbs? Can witness and experience. In this, can is a helping verb. Witness and experience are your two main verbs. Here, if you analyze the entire sentence, you will find that the subject is one, verb is can witness and experience, and object is the beauty of heaven. How? If you ask yourself the question, what? One can witness and experience what? The answer is the beauty of heaven. The action passes on from the verb to the object. Therefore, this particular verbs or these particular verbs are called as transitive. Now look at question number 2. It leaves me in complete awe. Which is the verb here? Leaves. It leaves me in complete awe. Here, the action does not pass on to a direct object. It leaves who? The answer is me and not what. Therefore, it does not have a direct object and therefore leaves is an intransitive verb. Now look at sentence number 3. Nature soothes and nurtures. I have underlined two verbs for you. Soothes and nurtures. Now let us see. Here, after soothes and nurtures, there is a full stop. The action stops at soothes and nurtures. Nature soothes and nurtures what? Is there an answer? No, there is a full stop. Therefore, it does not have an object. The action does not proceed on from the verb to any object. Therefore, they are intransitive verb. Now question number 4. It withers completely. In this sentence, your verb is withers. If you ask the question will be it withers how? Completely. It does not answer to the question what. It does not have any object. Therefore, your answer is intransitive. Withers is an action word and it is intransitive because the action does not pass on to a particular object. Now look at question number 5. The flower comes to life only for a day. Here the verb is comes. It is intransitive. Why it is intransitive? Because the action does not pass on to any particular object. It answers to the question when. Question number 6. A rainbow colors the entire sky. If you analyze this particular whole sentence, subject is a rainbow, verb is colors, and your object is the entire sky. Why the entire sky is object? Because you ask yourself the question what? A rainbow colors what? The entire sky. Therefore, this particular verb colors is transitive. Now look at question number 7. In this there are two verbs. It smiles and dances. Here the action does not pass on further. There is no word. It smiles and dances what? Is there any word after the full stop? There is no word. Therefore, this particular two verbs are intransitive. So students, with this we come to the conclusion that what are transitive and intransitive verbs? Transitive verbs are those verbs which need an object. They answer to the question what. Intransitive verbs are those verbs which do not need an object and they do not answer to the question what. That is the difference between transitive and intransitive. With this, we come to an end to this question. I hope you understood it. Thanks for watching.